right, welcome everyone. Welcome back. So today we're going to talk about how you can get you some freebies. Yes, for things that we need in our garden. So a lot of us want mulch. We want to get compost. A lot of times we're too busy to do our own composting. And some of us would like to get some wood chips and some rain barrels. All right. So I was looking to see how to get some free wood chips because I actually had got myself a rain barrel. So I thought about, well, how could I actually get some wood chips as well and some mulch? So I'll tell you how to do that. The very first thing though is you want to Google in whatever city that you live in. I'm talking about here in the USA, the United States of America. You can Google in free rain barrel program or rebate rain barrel program. So there are our public works or our cities, yes, our cities, such as our water companies, where it is locally given is where the rebate would be in my city. So I had to go to the city of where I live and actually purchase a rain barrel. It cost me about $75, but they will rebate and refund me $50 of it. So I get a 50 gallon, I think it's 50 or 60 gallon rain barrel for about $25 or so because I'll get that rebate. So what you do is you just put it up under your gutters. You can collect the rainwater so you can have that rainwater for your garden, your flowers, to water your plants, all of that, and save and conserve on water. All right, so it holds a whole lot. It gives you the whole kit, at least in my city. So I'm pretty for sure in your city it would do the same. So as I said again, what you want to do is look and Google for rain barrel rebate programs in your area or free rain barrel programs. You may be able to take a little class and then get a free rain barrel. All right. Secondly, we are talking about how to get free mulch. How to get free mulch, guys. You can also go to your public works department, your parks and recreations. You can ask at your landfills in your cities and ask if you can get some free mulch, or you can Google that free mulch, self-serve, in whatever area that you happen to live in. All right. So a lot of places let you come and shovel your own and take it home, and a lot of places will actually drop it off. All right, so a lot of cities are out there doing it, especially the big cities like Florida, Austin, Charlotte, Denver. They have that with the public works. All right, also GetChipDrop offers free wood chips, guys. They're going to actually deliver it to you. So GetChipDrop, ChipDrop. All right, so I was researching this and I thought this is a really good program right here. All right, this is best for if you guys have homesteads, if you have a big farm or large gardens and community spaces that you have that you're in charge of, or would like to see your community spaces actually have free wood chips, because they come and drop off a big load. All right, so you can sign up online to get those free. As I said again, free. So there's nothing that you have to pay for here. And also tree service companies, you want to think of tree service companies that will drop wood chips off as well for free. You just call and ask them, do you drop off wood chips? All right, do you have any wood chips that you actually need to dump? All right, also think about free mulch, guys. A lot of people give away free mulch, bagged leaves of mulch that they are no longer using. All right, so think about Facebook market groups, look through Craigslist, think about your farms, your local farms. They all actually have often giveaways there. All right, so a lot of bedding materials like straw, wood shavings, and compost mix and aged manure that you can get from the farms. All right, so that was my research as far as free mulch. All right, So just ask around. Also, yes, ask around at your landscaping companies, guys. Ask them, do they ever give away their excess mulch? Do they have extras there, all right? So let me also tell you, all mulch is not created equal, all right? It is not. Fresh wood chips are better for your pathways, and aged mulch is better for your plants, all right? So consider those things. Think about getting that rain barrel so you can, yes, conserve on that water at the house, that water bill. Things are getting so expensive out here, the utilities everywhere. Not only is the rent and things expensive, our groceries. So any way that we can possibly save, I'm here to help you. I do a lot of researching, yes. So that was my career at one point, having to do a lot of research. So I actually come into contact with a lot of information here. If this has been helpful for you guys, give it a thumbs up. Like the video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, consider becoming a subscriber. This is the Flower Channel. We talk about herbs and gardening. Yes, and we just kind of zone out on the beautiful flowers around, because that's a great escape from the world and also giving us a lot of beauty in our lives. All right, I love you. Be safe, be well, love on others, and let me know if you have any other resources that you know about. Let us know in the comments. Drop it in there. Okay, be well. See you next time.